We are doing the seated chair, and particularly for those who have the problem while standing the exercises, because this seated chair gives you more mobility of the arms and the leg. And if you might have a scarf at home, just take this. You don't have to buy from the market. You can do it because when you are holding it tight, it will give you, it keeps your arms firm. So we will start it from, you will move it. It is easy. So from easy we will go to the tough. So there are only 2 reps. Right, left on the waist, right, left on the chest, 2, right, left on the neck, this is the 3rd stop, right, left on the head, and right, left upper head. You've done. Back from here. 1 rep completed. Now back, same position. Stop it. We will do the circling above the head, so it will give you much flow and in your shoulder. 10 times. Move your waist according to the circling. Engage your back. That works. Fully engage your back. But don't bend. One very important, and it will be hard for you to do it in the beginning, but I'm going to tell you, it will be of immense benefit. Your back, which is causing all the stiffness in the neck, frozen shoulder, everything, you try to it. I know it will be difficult. Pull on the right, gradually and slowly take it to the left and stretch your arm. This is 1. And then this time I'm going to it only for the 5 times, but you can do it for the 10 times when you feel it's good for you. This is 4. And this is 5. Done. So upper part with the scarf you have done. Now we shall move on to the lower part with the scarf. Now on the lower side, and remember that when you are sitting on the chair, you will not sit on the vessel, but you will sit on the tip of it, so that it will facilitate you in doing your workout. So starting, keep it here, and it's for your backs. From here, it's also actually working as a biceps and the triceps and your back. 5 times each. This is the last time. Good. Now from up to toe, you can keep your toe like this. Keep it tight. Hold it so that you have strength in your arm. 10 times. It's having impact on your back. It's creating flexibility so that you don't have any back pain. Now we are doing the scarf we have done. So put it on the side. You will use it next time. So don't forget to take the water in between. Take a sip or two to keep you hydrated. It's important. So we continue from there. Still we are sitting and then pulling your legs 10 times each leg quickly. Times. And the last one for the seated exercise, now you have to judge the strength of your legs. Pull the legs with the help of the other arms and hold it. 10 seconds. Good. And then support it. It back. Other legs, but lift it with the support of the other hand. Hold it 10 seconds. Don't do anything abruptly. Take care of your body. So our seated chair is now